This is the same car, maybe a higher volume for the speakers. On the blue channel we have turbo pressure, orange is air mass, and red is RPM on the road. So lots of air and lot of turbo pressure, but no power in the engine. Thanks.